Hello, hello, hello. I thought I would share with you what I do to ship out an order of the world's greatest rosemary so you can see what I do. I just came in from outside. It's early morning and I'm preparing a shipment. I take this cup out that I got from Camping World and I fill it with my rosemary. Now, I try to give 8 sprigs of really perfect rosemary. And these are my shears, my new shears that I cut it with. And today, this is what I got. It is beautiful. You see this? Isn't that amazing? Absolutely gorgeous. And I put it together. I inspect it. That one is amazing. That right there is really one order of rosemary. You see the sprigs coming off of it? It has 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 sprigs from this one stem. And I know everybody's getting ready for the holidays, so I'm going to include it. So I'm placing that as one. And there's another one. Isn't it beautiful? I'm going to say that's 2, 3, 4. And I'll add a couple of more. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Let's see. That will be 5, 6. I wish you could smell it. 7. That one has one little brown tip. And that's 8. Oh, I'll put a couple of extra. 10. That one I'll keep. Clean my space. Oh, I wish you could smell it. Smells beautiful. Oh, it's gorgeous. Now I make sure that all of the tips are even. Then I get a piece of paper towel, fold it in half, fold it in half again. And I take the stems and I wrap this around the stems, just like that. And then I fold it up, just like that. And I'm gonna go behind the camera. Oh. And I'm gonna wet my paper towel. I want it to be very, very wet. And you see, that's gonna keep it fresh and beautiful. And then I take a Ziploc bag and I'm gonna place only the roots in the bag. And I'm gonna close it. What are you having for Thanksgiving dinner this year? It's been an amazing year. An amazing year. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna cook a big dinner. There we go. And then I fold it up so none of that liquid will come out. Then, not finished, I get my tissue paper, fold it up, making a triangle. And I set my beautiful fresh rosemary. I'm getting it wet. Right in the center. And bring that up like so. Bring that around. And just tuck it right in there like that. Exquisite. Now, I have a tag that I'll place on there that says rosemary. And now, for their little surprise gift, everybody that orders from me, I like to send them a little gift. And you never know what the gift will be. It may be a handmade product, or it may be another exquisite herb. You see that? Basil. Oh, I wish you could smell it. And on my Facebook page at Gotta Be Handmade, I have recipes and ways to use fresh herbs. Now again, I don't know what it looks like on camera, but I'm going over to the sink, and then there it is. You see the paper towel? It's wet. There we go. Oh, I know. I was telling you that this year I plan to cook a big dinner. I'm going to have duck. I'm sorry. I'm off the camera. For Thanksgiving. And I'm going to make plates and take them around and drop them off to some senior citizens. There we go. Then once again, I need a piece of tissue paper. I'm going to bring that up, wrap it around and make a little pocket. Just like that, and I'll put the tag right here that says basil. Now I haven't finished because you have to take care of your tools. These are my new shears. So, I use a bleach white. You see? I wish you could smell it. Oh, it smells so good. And I clean my blades. Now don't leave them there. Get another piece of paper towel. And I'm sorry, I'm off the camera, but I get some of my fresh olive oil, just a dab. You see? That's extra virgin olive oil. And I just go down my blade, just like that. Take my glove off. The only reason I wear the glove is because when I walk into the post office, the ladies say, "Oh, I smell it, I smell it." That's the only reason. And then did you know aluminum foil sharpens your blades on your scissors, on anything. So I give it 5 or 6 swipes. Then I close it up, lock it down, and I put it up. It's ready to cut some more. And that's it. It's time to go to the post office after I put my labels. Oh, I wish you could smell it. I just wanted to share that with you today. And in the comments, let me know, what are you doing for Thanksgiving dinner? I'll be cooking my duck with some of my fresh rosemary. It's gonna be amazing. Have a blessed day, everybody. Because you know, for the absolute best, it's just gotta be handmade.